Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's victim is another unit out of a 66 Mustang, as soon as I can find the buttons that I'm working with here. This comes from James in Fairfield, Connecticut. Thank you so much, James, for your business from Connecticut. This is an FM conversion with Bluetooth, and so let's go ahead and turn her on, make sure everything works. Got her set to FM at the moment, so we'll do our usual run through down the FM dial. Let's see, it's kind of cloudy today, so signal conditions might be less than perfect, but let's just see.
It is emotional, but it's also part of our faith. It's part of our spirituality. That isn't just emotional.
Get the frame and I, the best. 220.
Calf country.
From the tomorrow.
Doctor that gave her
Football legend Tony Roberts for small businesses.
That's my type.
You at 93.3. And says they are
Before morning, we're all
Okay, I counted about 35 FM stations. Let's go over to AM, and we get hopefully three stations here. Alrighty, get one station.
is listening to Fox News.
One,
Great.
two,
You know it.
and
Quoteinternet.com.
11:30 a.m. All right, let's go back to FM, and we'll gonna check the virtual or the balance and fader functions. All right, we're gonna mess with our balance control. All the way left, all the way right.
USA Radio News.
Okay, I'm going to send the speakers, and for this next adjustment, we'll need to look at our level meters, so we'll check those out. We're going to activate the front-rear fader.
New York, California, and Washington.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust.
Guard can effectively
And now,
respond to
the tone control is adjusting the front-rear speaker balance. I'm going to stop adjusting it,
We've signed what we had to sign.
stop adjusting it, and
It's been activated.
Fader set.
fader set. And now we can turn our tone control back to how we want it to sound. Okay, let's test the aux input real quick. As usual, just going to make sure it switches over.
California submitted their request, and the president will consider it immediately.
Here, one side, other side, and now there's a 20-second delay before the radio comes back. And so we'll just let that time out to make sure that function works. If you don't like the delay, just turn it off, turn the unit right back on, and the radio will come right back on. And then we'll test the 8-track function. After we'll make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, and then we'll test the 8-track. So we'll just there's our radio back. Okay, let's put our Bluetooth into pairing mode. Make sure that works.
Overnight lows.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and as you know, I don't do all that on the demo videos. Just want to make sure the Bluetooth works. Let's pop in an 8-track tape. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck here.
Tonight, yeah, plain cloudy skies tonight with an overnight low temperature of 50.
That's an interesting way to end a song. Okay, let's see if it's going to switch tracks or go. Okay, next song. Alrighty, let's try another tape. Herb Alpert.
Radio.
Now you'll notice that this tape, this particular 8-track is very bright sounding, maybe even a little bit too bright. That's because of my preamp, which is designed to make up for the lost treble on old tapes. If it's too bright, just back the tone control down. Then it sounds like a regular 8-track tape. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio should come right back. Radio comes right back. Test the dial light. Okay, well, if you can't see it,
Pairing not completed.
okay, pairing. Okay, you can just see that dial light. flashing on and off. Okay, so that takes care of everything. She's all ready to go. I'm ready to demonstrate the next unit on video, so we'll just get back to that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And incidentally, this is video number 475, so we're definitely flirting with that 500 mark. Let's see, it is the end. It's about the middle of March. I'd say definitely by the beginning of April, we'll be at more than 500 videos. So thanks so much, guys, for sending me the units to make these videos with. And thank you again, James, for your business all the way from the New England states in Connecticut. My phone number, that's for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. It's not to look for belts or parts or to find a knob for that unit that you found at a yard sale. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.